scalar triple product when magnitudes of all vectors and angle between each pair is given. So box of ABC whole square equals to determinant I told. In the first row A dot A dot B, A dot C. In the second row B dot A, B dot B, B dot C. In the third row C dot A, C dot B, C dot C. Like that, after calculating determinant, we have found out box ABC. Look at for the direct formula you will look at. If A bar comma B bar comma C bar are unit vectors and the angle between each pair, direct formula of this. So this is theta, let us say. Angle between each pair is theta, then look at very important formula. Box of A bar, B bar, C bar is nothing but 1 minus cos theta into root of 1 plus 2 cos theta. This is direct formula. Box of A bar, B bar, C bar is nothing but direct formula. Look at here, theorem, how to do everything. So here, unit vectors. Unit vector means modulus A bar equal to modulus C bar equal to 1. So now calculate, that means what? A dot A equal to B dot B equal to C dot C. This is 1. A dot A means modulus A whole square, modulus B whole square, modulus C whole square. That means 1. Now A dot B is nothing but 1 into modulus A bar into modulus B bar into cos theta. That means A bar dot B bar equal to B bar dot C bar equal to C bar dot A bar. That is nothing but cos theta. That is nothing but cos theta. Therefore, let us find out the determinant. Whole square is nothing but what is the formula I told? A bar dot A bar. This is the basic formula. A bar dot C bar. B bar dot A bar. B bar dot B bar. B bar dot C bar. This is the one formula. That means substitute this. So this is 1. A dot B cos theta. A dot C cos theta. So this is cos theta 1. Cos theta. Cos theta. Cos theta 1. So this is the determinant value. Now calculate this determinant value. What you will get if you expand that 1 into 1 minus cos square theta. This. So therefore minus cos theta into cos theta minus cos square theta. This you will get plus cos theta into. So cos theta into cos square theta minus cos theta. If you expand this, plus cos cube theta plus cos cube theta minus cos square theta. That means you will get the equation 2 cos cube theta minus 3 cos square theta plus 1 plus 1. Now what I am doing is I am factorizing this one. Look at, I will use some simple technique. 2 cos cube theta, this I am writing minus 2 cos square theta minus cos square theta plus 1. This minus 3 I am writing minus 2 cos square theta minus cos square theta. Now from these two you take 2 cos square theta common into cos theta minus 1 minus of minus, if you take common you will get a square minus b square minus, if you take common, cos square theta minus 1 square, that you can write like this, cos theta plus 1 into cos theta minus 1, such that I can take cos theta minus 1 into 2 cos square theta minus of this, that means minus cos theta minus 1 minus cos theta minus 1. Factorize this. So this can be factorized like this, 2 into minus 1 minus 2 you write this minus cos theta is minus 2 cos theta plus cos theta minus 1. So this is nothing but cos theta minus 1 this. So therefore if you take cos theta minus 1 common, cos theta minus 1 if you take common, you will get 2 cos theta minus 1. Therefore this is nothing but box ABC whole square. So this is cos theta minus 1 whole square this is into 2 cos theta plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus. So 2 cos theta plus 1. So this can also be written as 1 minus cos theta whole square into 2 cos theta plus 1. Therefore that implies box of A bar, B bar, C bar is nothing but plus or minus square root of this into root of 2 cos theta plus 1. So when angle is given, directly you substitute here. If angle between each pair will be given to you, directly if you substitute, you will get what is box of ABC. Remember this formula, very important formula in the problems. You know, we can do like this determinant, but if you substitute here, it will become easy problem. When this has to be done, if unit vectors are given and angle between each pair is theta, box ABC, if you want to calculate, you have to use this rule. Look at applications, how they will. Are perpendicular unit vectors, then plus or minus 1. Perpendicular unit vectors, that means Unit vectors are given. Perpendicular means what? A bar comma B bar equals to 90 degree. This is theta. This is theta. Therefore, plus or minus 1 minus cos 90 0, 0 plus 1. What is that? Plus or minus 1. In the formula directly. Theta equal 90 degree. Theta equal 90 degree. Like that theta, whatever it is given, you substitute that. Provided unit vectors must be given. If unit vectors are not given, directly determinant you solve. Look at next. Next problem. Next problem. The coterminous edges of a tetrahedron. Tetrahedron are parallel to unit vectors A bar, comma B bar, comma C bar, and edges are of length 2 comma 3 comma 4 respectively. If one by root 2, then find volume of tetrahedron. Look at this problem. So there is a tetrahedron. I told how to draw the tetrahedron. Draw like this. A, B, C. So this is D, let us say vector. This is D, let us say. This is D. Like this tetrahedron will be. Tetrahedron will be like this. What is given is coterminous edges, means these three edges you take. Edges passing through corner. This is 2 units given, 1. This is 3 units given. This is 4 units given. What you need for finding 3 coterminous edge vectors? Give this BC bar vector you must know, this BD bar vector you must know, this BA bar vector you must know. Then 1 by 6 into modulus box of A bar, B bar, C bar is the formula he told. Now look at, he told that BC edge is parallel to a unit vector. That means BC length is 2 and it is parallel to unit vector base. This is nothing but 2 A bar. 2 into unit vector, magnitude into unit vector. Similarly, BD is parallel to a unit vector. That means this is nothing but 3B bar. 3B bar. Similarly, this edge is parallel to a unit vector C bar. That means this is nothing but 4C bar. 4C bar. Therefore, yesterday we have discussed, if this is A bar, this is B bar, this is C bar. What is the formula? 1 by 6 into box of A bar, B bar, C bar. So volume V equal to 1 by 6 into modulus box of quaternary edges BC bar comma BD bar comma BA bar. So this is the volume, that means 1 by 6 into modulus box of BC bar means 2A bar comma 3B bar comma 4C bar. This now if scalar is there, scalars K1 A bar, K1 B bar, K2 C bar is there, you can write that scalars outside. That means 2 into 3 into 4 outside you can write 24 divided by 6 into modulus box of A bar, B bar, C bar. So what you will get 24 into. So now that means for calculating volume you need box of A, B, C. Now in the question given modulus A bar equal to 1, unit vectors are given. And this relation is given. Look at A bar dot B bar equal to 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 means calculate the angle. 1 into cos of angle between A bar comma B bar is nothing but 1 by root 2. Therefore, we can say A bar comma B bar is nothing but 45 degree. 45 degrees. Similarly, if you take B dot C equal to 1 by root 2, then you will get angle between B bar comma C bar is also 45 degrees. Similarly, you will get C bar comma A bar. Now theta is nothing but in box ABC formula, each pair is inclined at an angle theta, that means 45 degree to the other. So therefore box ABC, I told the shortcut 1 minus cos theta into root of 1 plus 2 cos theta. This is the formula, or 2 cos theta plus 1, whatever it may be. So that means plus or minus 1 by root 2 into root of 1 plus 2 into 1 by root 2. That means root 2. That means if we simplify this, you will get root 2 minus 1 into root 2 plus 1 divided by root 2 divided by root 2. Right, box ABC. If we further simplify this, it can be in this form or further simplify. Only single root you can write. Look at this root 2 minus 1 I am bringing inside the root. Root 2 minus 1 whole square. This I am bringing inside the root term divided by root 2 plus or minus root of this A minus B whole square. If you write 2 plus 1, 3 minus 2 root 2 into 1 plus root 2 divided by root 2. If you multiply that, root of 3 plus 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2. So minus 2 root 2 minus 4 divided by root 2. This, so that means what you will get root of root 2. So this is root 2 minus 1 divided by root 2. Like that, this you can write like this or you can write like this also. If answer is in this form, you have to simplify. So therefore volume is what? Volume is, so this is 4, 6 by 24 by 6 is what? 4. That means 4 into modulus this. That means 4 into this is plus or minus plus or minus. So if we write in modulus plus or minus root of root 2 minus 1 divided by root 2, right? So root 2 means 4. If you cancel 2 root 2, you will get 2 root 2 into modulus plus or minus means you will get cancel root 2 minus 1. That means 2 root of this multiply with 2. 2 root 2 minus 2. This root of 2 into root 2 minus 1. So this is the volume of the parallelogram, volume of the tetrahedron. Box ABC calculating, use this formula. It will become easy to solve. So volume you got 4 into box ABC. After calculating box ABC, you substitute here. Look at next application. Suppose let us say one comprehension we will solve it. One comprehension. Comprehension. Let us see. Let A bar, B bar, C bar be unit vectors such that angle between each pair is theta. Angle between each pair is theta. Let P comma Q comma R be non-zero real numbers such that A bar cross B bar plus B bar cross C bar plus A bar cross B bar plus B bar cross C bar equal to P A bar plus Q B bar plus R C bar. This is the given relation. Then first question. Q by P equals to 2 cos theta B cos theta cos theta d minus cos theta. Look at this problem, very important problem. Very important problem. Look at. For these type of problems, how the problem can be done is, look at. Here, this side, this vector, this is expressed like some constant into A bar plus some constant into B bar plus some constant into C bar. Whenever it is expressed like this, what you have to do is, these three vectors are there, A bar, B bar, C bar, right? So with those three vectors, you do dot product on both sides. Okay. First I am doing dot product with A bar on both sides. That means A bar cross B bar dot A bar less equal to do dot product for finding PQR. First dot A, one equation. Look at A bar cross B bar dot A bar less equal to P into A bar dot A bar plus Q into B bar dot A bar plus R into C bar dot A bar. Look at this. Now, here I will write, look at A bar dot A bar, B bar dot B bar, C bar dot C bar is what? 1. Because A dot A is modulus A whole square, unit vectors given. So these are all 1. If you got A dot B, B dot C, C dot A, because they are equally inclined, 1 into 1 into cos theta, 1 into 1 into cos theta. So all these three are equals to cos theta. Now if you look at here, this is box of A bar, B bar, A bar. This is definition what? Box of A, B, C, A bar, B bar, A bar. According to definition, this is what? A bar. This is P. This is P. And this is what? Cos theta. This is what? Cos theta. That means you can write P plus Q plus R cos theta. That means, look at, this is 0. So this is 0 plus, if the two vectors are identical, scalar triple product will be 0. Box of BCA is nothing but box of ABC. That means this is nothing but P plus Q plus R cos theta. This is equation 1. Equation 1. Box ABC equal to P plus Q plus R cos theta. We have dotted with A. So similarly, dot B bar I am writing. Dot B bar. Dot B bar means, look at here. A bar cross B bar dot B bar 0. A bar cross B bar dot B bar means what? Two are identical 0. B bar cross C bar dot B bar. Two are identical 0. That means if you do here P into A bar dot B bar this, you will get, that means, look at, this is 1, this is 1, this is 1, and this is cos theta, this is cos theta. What you will get? 0 equals to 0 equals to, so this is Q plus, from these two, cos theta take common, P plus R cos theta, P plus R cos theta. That means this is second equation. Let us say. That is second equation. Similarly, dot with C bar. Dot with C bar. If you look at here, A cross B dot C plus B cross C dot C. Two are identical 0. That means now P into A bar dot C bar plus Q into B bar dot C bar plus R into C bar dot C bar. That means, so look at third equation you will get equals to, this is cos theta, this is cos theta, this is 1. That means you will get the equation P plus Q into cos theta. P plus Q into cos theta plus R. This is R into 1. This is third equation. Like that, if you do dot product, if you do dot product with A bar, one equation, first equation, dot product with B bar, second equation, dot product with C bar, third equation. Now look at three equations you got. Now he is asking the ratio Q by P. Now look at. Now 1, 2, 3, if you see, 1, 3 implies 1, 3 implies. So this is box ABC, this is box ABC, they are equal. That means P plus Q plus R cos theta equals to this is equal to this. Cos theta plus R. Bring this side up. Bring this side complete. P minus R into, this is P, this is minus R plus cos theta you take common. Cos theta if you take common, Q plus R minus P minus Q equal to 0. Q cancel. From these two, if you take P minus R common, P minus R common, you will get 1 minus cos theta equal to 0. That implies P equal to R. You can say that P equal to R. P equal to R because cos theta cannot be equal to 1. Because cos theta equal to 1 means theta will become 0. Given that the angle between each pair is same, that means theta cannot be 0. So therefore what you got? P equal to R. P equal to R you got. P equal to R. Now look at the second equation. He is asking the relation between Q and P. So second equation if you take, second equation what you got? Q plus equal to 0. Substitute R equal to P. Substitute R equal to P. R equal to P means you will get cos theta equal to 0. So Q is nothing but Q by P is nothing but minus 2 cos theta. So minus 2 cos theta. Option B is correct like that. Option B is correct. Option B is correct. Look at that is the first question. That is once if you find three equations from based on those, you will get the questions. Three equations I have solved. I have found Q by P in terms of theta. First question that is. Suppose second question. Second question. Find P comma Q comma R in terms of theta. In terms of theta. In terms of theta. Suppose second question is like this. You have to find P, Q, R in terms of theta. In terms of theta. Now if you observe, you got two relations. You got P equal to R. P equal to R, you got P equal to R and Q equal to minus 2P cos theta. These are the two relations you got. These are the two relations you got. Now first I want to find what is P. What is P? Keep the three equations like that. This relation also I am writing here. So this is first equation, this is second equation, this is second equation and the third equation related to this. Third equation. Third equation. So now take the first equation. Take the first equation. Take the first equation. First equation is what? Box of A bar, C bar, A bar, B bar, C bar equals to P plus Q plus R cos theta. This is the one. So now I want to find P. So box ABC, formula I told. Box ABC formula is what? Plus or minus. Previously we have discussed plus or minus root of 1 minus cos theta equals to. So this is P plus Q is nothing but minus 2P cos theta plus R is nothing but P. R is nothing but P. R is nothing but P. So that implies you can calculate what is P. Plus or minus to root of 1 plus equal to P you take common, then you will get 1, look at 1 minus 2 cos theta into cos theta minus 2 cos square theta plus cos theta. This you will get, that means equal to, here you take minus common, minus P into factorize this. Minus 1. That means plus or minus 1 minus cos theta into equal to minus P into This if you factorize, while finding the determinant, factorize this one, what you will get? Cos theta minus 1. While finding the determinant, I have factorized that. What you will get? Cos theta minus 1 into 2 cos theta plus 1. That implies plus or minus. This minus you multiply here. This 1. This 1 minus cos theta. This 1 minus cos theta will get cancelled. That means, that implies this, bring this side. Root of 1 plus 2 cos theta divided by 1 plus 2 cos theta. That means P is nothing but plus or minus 1 divided by 1 plus 2 cos theta. That is P. Look at, this is root x divided by x. That means what? 1 by root x. P is nothing but plus or minus 1 divided by root of 1 plus 2 cos theta. That is P. So now you can calculate what is Q. Q is nothing but minus 2p cos theta. So R is nothing but first P. Q is nothing but minus 2p. You know the relation now. This. So that means minus 2 cos theta into P value you write. P value is what? This. So therefore Q is nothing but. So look at, minus into plus, or if plus is taken you will get minus, if minus is taken you will get plus. That's why minus or plus, minus into plus you will get minus, minus into minus you will get plus. That means that if P is taken plus, Q will, you will get minus. If P is taken minus, Q you will get plus. 2 cos theta divided by root of 1 plus 2 cos theta. This is Q. So therefore R is nothing but what? R is nothing but P. R is nothing but as it is P. That means plus or minus 1 by root of 1 plus 2 cos theta. This is the one. Okay. In terms of theta, this you will get comprehension. In the next exam, you will get definitely comprehension. 2 questions. I am telling now itself. In advanced, 2 questions you will get. I don't know the paper. With experience, I am telling. In the final exam also, you will get whatever I am telling. Look at R equal to P. So second question, you have found PQR in terms of theta. Okay, now over. Next, third question. Third question. Third question is asking volume of parallelepiped having coterminous edges. Coterminous edges A bar, comma, B bar, comma, C bar is. Look at the options. P plus Q plus R cos theta B modulus cos theta C modulus of P into 1 plus cos theta plus Q cos theta D. Okay. Problem is asked like this, right? So more than one correct amount, more than one correct. So volume is what actually modulus box of A bar, B bar, C bar. Now look at the first equation. First equation. This is what this. So that means modulus. This is from 1. First equation. So from 1 this is correct. This is correct. Now you got this is equals third box ABC, not 0. Third, that is box ABC. That is box ABC. So therefore, this is 0. This I have rubbed here. So that is box ABC. Right? So therefore, box ABC, you can write this also. That means cos theta plus R. This is from 2. This is from 2. This is from 2 means this is also correct. So this is also correct. So now you know that P equal to R. P equal to R. Now in the answer you got, you substitute R equal to P. Plus R equal to P. That means what you will get, P into cos theta plus 1 plus Q into cos theta. Therefore, this is also correct. So, 3 answers are correct. Okay, now. Just by using these 3 relations are main. So, those 3 relations are main. Right? So, this is third question. Okay. Fourth question. Right? This number of questions will be asked. Fourth question. Modulus of is equal to so this is like this. Look at here. So this is nothing but from first equation. From first equation, modulus box of A bar, B bar, C bar. Look at this. This is nothing but this box of A bar, B bar formula you know. Box of A bar, B bar, C bar formula I told. 1 plus. This is the formula. So modulus means plus or minus will be modulus of plus or minus 1 plus or minus means plus only 1 minus cos theta. Multiple angle formula is nothing but 2 sine square theta by 2 into root of 1 plus 2 cos theta. This is the one. This he has written formula 2 sine square theta by 2 like that questions. Very important model. This type of. Now finally, when this type of problem is given, how to remember the shortcut is, look at here. Remember the shortcut. By using this you can do all the problems. Method I told. Now what to remember is easily or unit vectors and equal to theta and such type of relation is given. Such type of relation is given, then what you have to remember is two relations P equal to R comma Q equal to minus 2P cos theta. This is very important relation. P equal to R, we have derived now. Q equal to minus 2P cos theta. Very important relation. This one formula you remember. You can avoid all these things doing Q equal to minus 2P cos theta. So P equal to plus or minus, this is R. P and R values are plus or minus 1 divided by root of 1 plus 2 cos theta. So Q is nothing but minus R plus. This is one set formula you have to remember. If you try to remember, try to remember. Otherwise, do they like this procedure. This and this. Especially this relation is very important. P equal to R, Q equal to minus 2P cos theta. This is very important. Look at now such type of problem is given. You can do it easily now. Look at one problem I will give. Be such that A bar, B bar, C bar be such that angle between each pair is pi by 3. Angle between each pair is pi by 3. A bar cross B bar then he is asking the value of this value. Look, now you know the shortcut now. Theta equal to pi by 3. Now take these relations. P equal to R, comma, into cos 60 minus P. Now you got, so you got P equal to R, Q equal to minus P. That means Q equal to what? Minus R. So substitute here 2R square plus 3R square plus 4R square divided by R square. R square got cancelled 9. But easily you got like that. Okay. If this relation is given, you remember this one. Then it will be easy problem. Okay. First question, that is. These values you want. So values you want mean formula is there. P equal to R equal plus or minus. What is the formula? This theta is 60 degree. If we substitute here, 2 into 1 by 2, 1. P and R are what? Values. Plus or minus 1 by root 2. Q is nothing but minus or plus. Two into 1 by 2, 1 divided by root 2, minus or plus you must write. Those are the values. Like that you can easily solve the problem. Now suppose the volume of parallelepiped having coterminous edges A bar, comma, B bar, comma, C bar is dash. Let us say third question. Right? Volume is nothing but modulus of this. So box ABC, I have told the formula plus or minus 1 minus cos theta into 2 cos theta. So this is 1 minus 1 by 2 into root of 2 into 1 by 2, 1. Therefore, this is nothing but root 2 divided by 2. 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2. Therefore, volume you will get easily. Modulus. What is the volume? 1 by root 2. You know, like that. Next model. Look at next model. In a tetrahedron, look at, like this tetrahedron is there. Tetrahedron. Four faces will be there. If the position vectors are A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar, then centroid position vector. Let us say centroid is centroid position vector OG bar. OA bar is A bar, OB bar is B bar, OC bar is C bar, OD bar is D bar. That means centroid means if four vertices are there, you have to write divided by 4. Divided by 4. Triangle means divided by 3 you will write. How many vertices are there? 4 vertices. You remember this formula. For a tetrahedron, centroid position vector is A bar plus B bar plus C bar plus D bar divided by 4. Suppose take one problem. Let Z1 comma G2 comma G3 be the centroids of triangular faces OBC comma OCA comma OAB of a tetrahedron OABC. If V1 denotes volume of tetrahedron OABC, and V2 denotes volume of parallelopiped with OG1 comma OG2 comma OG3 as concurrent edges. Then V1 by V2 equal to dash. Look at the problem. Now tetrahedron is OABC given. OABC given means take D as origin. Take D as origin. Take one vertex as origin. It will become easy. Origin means 0, 0 bar. So join this. So this is the tetrahedron OABC. Now you assume the position vector A bar, B bar, C bar. A bar, B bar, C bar. So now G1, what he has given? G1, G2, G3 be the centroids of V1. Look at first V1. V1 is nothing but volume of tetrahedron is nothing but take three coterminous edges passing through one corner. Any edges you can take. Not only this, any three. Now if you take this, it will be easy because that is A bar, this is B bar, this is C bar. That means volume is 1/6 of modulus of coterminous edges means passing through a corner. You can take any three edges. It will be convenient to take this one, this one, this one because that is A bar directly. O A bar, O B bar, O C bar. This, so therefore V1 is what? 1/6 into this is A bar, this is B bar. That is the tetrahedron volume, that is V1. Okay now. So next what he is telling is there is a parallelepiped which has coterminous edges OG1. Look at OG1 bar. OG1 bar means face. What is that face? G1 is the centroid of OBC, triangle. OBC. Triangle means A bar plus B bar plus C bar divided by 3. 0 bar plus B bar plus C bar divided by 3. That means B bar plus C bar divided by 3. Next, for triangle OBC, G1 is the centroid. For triangle OCA, OCA means A bar plus C bar divided by 3. Next, for triangle OAB, that is nothing but A bar plus B bar divided by 3. So you got this one. Now what is telling? These are the coterminous edges of a parallelepiped. Coterminous edges of a parallelepiped. There is a parallelepiped. Draw the diagram. For those coterminous edges are given. So that means volume of parallelepiped is what? Modulus box of coterminous edges. So therefore volume equals to box of, substitute this vector. This, so therefore volume is nothing but, so 1/3, 1/3, 1/3 you write outside 1/27 into modulus of this. So box of this you must calculate. Let us say this is A bar, this is B bar, this is C bar. It's like box of A bar, B bar, C bar. I am calculating here. What I told, determinate. Determinate A bar is 0 here, 1, 1. So next 1, 0, 1. So next 1, 1, 0 into this. So you calculate this determinant, how much you will get. So 0 into, that is 0. So minus 1 into, so minus 1 into 0 minus 1 minus 1 plus 1 into 1 into this. That means you got 2 into this. So substitute that here V equal to this inside one is nothing but this. This. So therefore V2 is this. So V2 is this. Therefore V2 this V1 by V2 is nothing but 6. 1 by 6 into divided by 2 by 27 into this value you got cancelled. So 27 divided by 12. So 3 nines, 3 fours. 9 divided by 4 is the answer. 9 divided by 4 is the answer. Like that. Always for tetrahedron coterminous edges and parallelopiped coterminous edges you take. Right? Next look at. Next concept, next problem. If 3 non-zero vectors are such that A bar cross B bar equals C bar, they are satisfying this equation. B bar cross C bar equal to A bar, comma. These three equations they are satisfying. A bar cross B bar equal to C bar, B bar cross C bar equal to A bar, C bar cross A bar equal to B bar. Then A bar comma B bar comma C bar are mutually perpendicular unit vectors and 1. Okay. Remember this one. If they are satisfying these three conditions, then angle between each pair is 90 degree and they are unit vectors. Modulus A bar equal to 1, modulus B bar equal to 1 and modulus C bar equal to 1. Whenever this is given, take 90, 90, 90, angle between each pair and unit vectors, and box ABC is 1. Look at this theorem. Look at this theorem. Now, B bar cross C bar equal to A bar means what? A bar is nothing but cross product of B bar and C bar. That means A bar perpendicular to B bar comma C bar. B cross C always perpendicular to B bar C bar. B cross C is nothing but A bar. Therefore, we can say that A bar perpendicular to B bar C bar from this relation. So next, this if you take C bar perpendicular to A bar B bar. This if you take first one. Second one I have taken here. Third one if you take B bar perpendicular to C bar comma A bar. Therefore, you can say that from these three relations, A bar perpendicular to B bar perpendicular to C bar perpendicular to A bar. That means the angle between each pair is what? 90 degree. They are perpendicular vectors. Now look at what I am doing. You take a first equation you take. I am doing dot product with C bar on both sides. This is nothing but C bar dot C bar. Dot product with on both sides. This side, right hand side I have done. This is nothing but box ABC. Is nothing but modulus C bar whole square. Let us take first equation that. This I have dotted with C bar on both sides. So next you take B bar cross C bar equal to A bar. That implies I am doing dot product with A bar on both sides. With A bar. This A bar dot A bar. This is nothing but modulus A bar whole square. Box BCA is nothing but, I have told, box BCA is nothing but box ABC. Let us say second equation. So next you take similarly C bar cross A bar equal to B bar. I am doing dot product with B bar on both sides. That implies is nothing but box CAB is nothing but box ABC. Let us say this is third equation. So 1 and 2 and 3 implies 1 and 2 and 3 implies we got box this, you got this one. So therefore we can say that as these three are equal, we can say modulus A bar equal to modulus B bar equal to modulus C bar. You take one first relation. Look at A bar cross B bar equal to C bar. First relation is given. I am applying modulus on both sides. Magnitudes will also be equal. Now look at what is the formula for this? Modulus A bar into modulus B bar into sine pi by 2. Pi by 2 angle. This is nothing but modulus C bar. Modulus C bar. Now if you look at modulus B bar, you can write modulus A bar equal to modulus C bar, you can write modulus A bar. Therefore, this is cancelled. Modulus A bar equal to 1. Modulus A bar equal to 1 implies modulus B bar will be 1, modulus C bar will be 1. That means equal to 1 and also 1. So that means those A bar, B bar, C bar are mutually perpendicular unit vectors. Whenever those three relations are given, those are perpendicular unit vectors. Look at it. Whenever those type of relations given, the easy way to solve the problem is you take A bar equal to I, B bar equal to J. Easy way to solve the problem is take A bar equal to I, B bar equal to J, C bar equal to K. Look at I cross J is what K, K cross I is K, J cross K is what I, K cross I is what J. So whenever this type of relation is given, you take this one. So 3 must be given, these 3. So look at the A bar dot B bar is 0, B bar dot C bar is 0, C bar dot A bar is what? 0. These are mutually perpendicular unit vectors. You remember this point, and whenever given, you take like this immediately. Look at the problem. Look at the problem. And in the question, he will give A bar, B bar, C bar not equal to 0 bar. Look at. So one passage I will give. Look at, this is the equation given. Number 1. Modulus A bar plus equal to dash. Let us say he is asked like this. Take this I, take this j, take this k. 1 plus 1 plus 1. What is that? 3. What is that? 3. Number 2. Second question. Number 2. Second question. The unit vector perpendicular to vectors x bar plus y bar, comma, where x bar equals to x bar equal to a bar plus b bar plus c bar, y bar equals to 2a bar plus b bar plus 3c bar, comma, z bar equals to 2a bar plus b bar minus 2c bar. So second question is asking is unit vector perpendicular to the vectors. So now take this as a bar equal to x bar plus y bar. I am calculating that. A bar is I, B bar is J, C bar is K. X bar plus y bar. That means 3I. Take A bar as I. This. So that means if we add 3I plus 2J plus 4K. This. So B bar equals to Y bar plus Z bar. Calculate this. So what you will get if you add these two? 4I plus 2J plus K. So this is the one. Right? So now you have to find a unit vector perpendicular to A bar comma B bar. Okay. unit vector, we know the formula. Unit vector which is perpendicular to A bar, B bar. There will be two unit vectors. In cross product we have learned. In cross product we have learned. Suppose A bar is like this. Along the normal, one side n cap and another side is what? Minus n cap. Along the pen, one other side, one unit vector. Therefore, this is the formula. So A bar cross B bar, let us calculate. A bar cross B bar means cross product vector. I, J, K, I, J, K, 3, 2, 4, 4, 2, 1. So this, calculate this vector I into 2 minus 8 minus 6. So minus j into 3 minus 16 minus 13 plus k into, so k into 6 minus 8 minus 2. This, so that means minus 6i plus 13j minus 2k. So that means unit vector is nothing but plus or minus minus 6i plus 13j minus 2k divided by root of 36 plus 169 plus 4. So that means plus or minus 6i plus 13j minus 2k divided by root of 207. This 209. So this, therefore, now you want to write in terms of A bar, B bar, C bar. Replace I by A bar divided by root of 209. That is the answer. You must not write in IJK. He has not given na. I is what? A bar. J is what? B bar. K is what? C bar. Like that. Whenever it is given, you take I, J, K. It will become easy. It will become easy. Problem. Right? Okay. All of you share your videos. I want to talk to you.